How to pair with iPhone Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to pair with iPhone, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you actually want to turn on your Bluetooth, and once you actually do it, first thing you actually want to turn it on. So here's how you could do it. So first thing, to connect it, you want to power on the Sony headset and wait until the LED blinks. Then next you actually want to do is open the settings on your iPhone and go to Bluetooth. After you go to the Bluetooth settings, then here you want to go ahead and locate the device. If you find it, so click that out and press the connections button and wait until the headset is paired. As you do it, so you'll have successfully made it so far. And the first step is to verify the Sony XM5 has entered the pairing mode. However, if you're unable to try connecting it, you could actually try repairing it or entering it into a pairing mode. For that, you want to press on the power button, and after the headset has powered on, wait for at least 10 seconds. Press the power button once again to start up the headset. Then pair the headset through your iPhone Bluetooth menu and see that fixes your issue or not. If that doesn't seem to be working out, what you could also do is enable airplane mode. Swipe down, go to airplane mode and see whether that fixes your issue or not. The next thing is you could also check your Bluetooth, make sure it is turned on. If the issue still persists on, you could also make sure to go ahead and restart your iPhone's Bluetooth, or maybe restart your device, both of the devices, and see that fixes your issue or not. So these are a couple of things that works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.